So we start in mountain pose in our sun salutations. So you can stand at the top of your mat and feel all the little pieces of your mountain pose. And then next time you inhale, raise your arms up. And here, just really feel the lower ribs separating from your hips. So feeling the side bodies lengthen, feeling everything reaching up. And then you can even plug your shoulders back into place and feel the fingertips reach more, and then feeling how you get that length in the arms. And you can even play around with hunching the shoulders up to the ears, feeling the stretch more concentrated on the torso. And then plugging them back in, concentrating on the arms, just playing around in each pose, noticing what it feels like in your body. So you're reaching up here. And then exhale, you swan dive. Swan dive is where your arms come around like this. You lead with the heart, you hinge at the hips, and you come down to your forward fold. There's other ways to get down too. You can bring your hands to your heart, lead with the heart, hinging at the hips down. And you can also bring your hands to your hips and lead with your heart, hinge at the hips, coming down forward fold. So in your forward fold, the goal of this pose is to lengthen your spine. So as much as you need to bend your knees to get your belly to rest on your thighs, do that. Let your head be heavy. Let the arms be heavy. You can let them rest on the ground. You can grab opposite elbows. And take big exhales in your forward fold. And if you'd like to start getting into the hamstrings a little bit more, you can just really slowly straighten out your legs as you inhale, and then make the torso heavier on your exhale. And you might feel this very intensely in your low back. You might feel this in your upper back and your neck. You might really feel this in the hamstrings. If you have tight hamstrings, you can still stretch them with bent legs. So notice where you're feeling this. Notice where your body's at. And take big exhales. Exhales are your friend. They'll let you release deeper. They'll let you let go of more. Notice anything that's tensing up, and then relax that. So the face might be holding a lot, the shoulders, the hands, maybe the belly. Wherever you're feeling that sensation of holding, bring your attention there. And breathe into it. You can even envision your breath traveling to that area as you inhale. And as you exhale, watch your breath spread and disperse throughout that area, releasing and softening a little bit more. And this is your forward fold. And the next part is your halfway lift. So halfway lift is a flat spine. You can envision a tabletop spine, so feeling a straight line from your tailbone through the low, middle, upper back, back of the neck, and crown of the head, reaching forward. The hands can come to the shins like this, and you might want to keep your chin really tucked. Your gaze is right at the top of your mat, a little bit between and above where your feet are. So you'll always inhale to your halfway lift and exhale back to your forward fold. So let's do that a few times. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. And let's do once more. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release. Inhale, halfway lift. Let's hold this. So feel your shoulder blades drawing together down the back. Feel the navel tuck into the spine. Feel that space between the upper thighs and your belly, creating a little bit more space. This really lengthens your low back. And envision a string from your tailbone pulling back And then that same string's going up through the crown of your head, pulling you forward. Feel the heart really proud. Lift the heart forward and through in a way. We're feeling that sensation of the heart lifting forward and through. Feeling this in your hamstrings as well. Maybe straightening out the legs a little bit more, feeling it more. Staying with your breath. And exhale, release, forward fold. Now inhale, roll your body up to stand, one vertebrae at a time. Slowly stacking each bone on top of each other, rolling the shoulders back at the top. Palms come to face out, back in mountain pose. Awesome. Great job. Thanks for watching Mind Body Reset Beginner Series. Make sure to like and subscribe and let me know any comments below. Keep watching this playlist to learn more.